This question should be broken up into three categories. Individuals that are looking to take on and engage really large construction projects like a new home or a new building. Students who are just curious about the field and who want to learn the program and the software. And then those who have smaller construction projects that aren't necessarily a new home or a new build, but they still want some sort of CAD, computer architectural drawing is what that stands for, to better visualize, for example, a kitchen or a bathroom. Let's start with the first. If you're trying to build a new home or a new building, you should consult your local architect or your engineer. In fact, both. You're going to consult both at some point. You want to start with your architect for a new residential home construction or a new building. That's number one. If you're curious and you're a student and you want to learn the field, and maybe even in your best interest to reach out to an architect and try to see if you can shadow that individual. But if you just want to get started and start dabbling with a software program, good programs would be Google SketchUp, AutoCAD, Revit, and there's even a program by Microsoft that you can take a look into. The last category is if you have a smaller construction project like a kitchen renovation or a bathroom renovation. There is actually suppliers and or vendors that you could reach out to that'll actually do it for you either at no cost or for a very small fee that is less expensive compared to utilizing an architect for said project.